Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know how crucial it is to move your assets securely. Today, we're breaking down how to transfer Bitcoin from your Ledger Nano X to Bitmart step by step. This process is straightforward, but always remember, we're dealing with real money, so double check everything to stay safe. First things first, make sure you have your Ledger Nano X set up and connected to your computer or mobile device. You'll also need a verified Bitmart account and the Bitmart app or website handy. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Ledger Live app on your device. This is the interface for managing your Ledger Nano X. Once you're in, navigate to the Bitcoin wallet section. You'll see your current Bitcoin balance. Take a moment to confirm how much you want to transfer. Next, head over to Bitmart. Log into your account and go to the deposit section for Bitcoin. Here, you'll find your unique Bitmart wallet address. Copy this carefully because it's your destination for the transfer. Pro tip: always verify the address to avoid any costly mistakes. Scams are everywhere in 2025. Back on Ledger Live, select the Send option in your Bitcoin wallet. Paste the Bitmart address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send, and don't forget to check the network fees. These can vary, so aim for a balance between speed and cost. Before you hit confirm, your Ledger Nano X will prompt you to verify the transaction on the device itself. This is a key security feature. Use your PIN and review the details on the screen. Once you're sure, approve the transaction. Now, sit tight. Transfers can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Head back to Bitmart and keep an eye on your account to confirm the deposit. If everything goes smoothly, your Bitcoin should appear, and you're good to go. In conclusion, transferring Bitcoin from Ledger Nano X to Bitmart is a secure way to manage your crypto, especially with all the advancements in 2025. If you run into any issues, reach out to Ledger or Bitmart support. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips. Let's keep building that digital future.